Welcome back, Fel fans. Welcome back to Fel Plays Pixelmon, LeafGreen. Something special about LeafGreen is that it's got Millenaire. And right now, we are working on a Millenaire quest that has us exploring wooded areas. And also, it seems to spawn in an Ilamise. How am I missing you? Must have been a lag spike. I heard the ding! Yes! Okay, so it also seems to spawn in zombies. So that's nice. I'm not seeing any zombies. Is a taiga a part of the wooded areas that it counts? Is it not counting a taiga? Man, I don't think it's counting a taiga. Well, while we are here, I also wanted to make a Millenaire village an Indian one. Ooh, what kind of biome is that? Another taiga. A savanna? Anyways, let's see. Where did I want to put the village? Where am I? Right here. I wanted to put it over there. I was thinking that the walk here would count towards the quest, which is the only reason why I had us come back so soon, but I guess not. Hmm. Well, sorry about that, fellow fans. Let's see here. Since it's not going to count, I figure might as well get there fast. Oh, what's this? There's a Poke Center here. Is it on my map? It is not. It's right where I wanted to put the village. I guess I'll put it over here. Ooh. If no one was here to get that, well, let's check out the loot. Oh. I was like, why can't I run? Trio, trio, trio. No door. Oh, it's already been looted. Huh, weird that that ball was there. Okay, so how about here? Let's see. Host Town is over here. A little close. Don't like how close it is. Let's go more over here. A Cubone? Hello. Gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon! Okay, so here's a nice big expanse of nothing. How's it look on the map? Nice big expanse of nothing. There's a swamp over here. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, here I've got my metals. Where is my summoning wand? Ah, of course, the precious stuff chest. Let's do a Mahal. Inuit, Indian. Kila Gant Mahal. Uh-oh. Ah! I'm in the house! Okay. Oh. Oh, the buildings have been updated. Oh, the Mahal looks so nice now. Oh, I love the new texture. I love the use of these doors. Okay, I thought that was another one of the doors. I was about to say. It looks like it. That's funny. That's funny. Nice. Why is there... Well, that doesn't look right. I'm gonna screenshot that and send that to the Indian dev. Make sure that those grass patches are right. Nice. What? What? Oh, a dungeon. There was a dungeon. And it was destroyed. That's funny. So all that loot was from the dungeon. Any more? I got concerned that, oh, are you serious? My cat just jumped up on my table and is rolling all over me. I will pet you shortly. I was concerned that because I saw the ice plate, Oh, that's a sky plate, a new one. Nice. I was concerned that one of my shulker boxes, I left it sitting down and it got destroyed. I was really scared there for a minute. Okay. Well, that's going to be fun. Level 42, huh? Okay, you're blocking me here. Stop that. Stop that. How about a slowpoke? We've got water gun. Breaks in. Level 20. Level 10. 19, rather. Fine. Smack down. Ooh. Take all. Another dragon scale. Nice. I think I'm going to need to reboot the server. Don't get up. And no. Down. Down. Stay there. I will give you pets. Don't worry. Okay, so what do we got here? Oh, we've got these new framed things, the new windows. Ah, so nice. A white decorative brick? Whitewash.
Trio.
They buy chicken. And I happen to have a chicken farm. Okay, I think I'm gonna exploit that. But for now, is it nighttime? What's up with this weird sky? Don't! Stop! Stop that! No! No! I am trying to play the Pokemons. Oh, I should... The reason why I picked the Mahal is because it's actually 3 villages in one. It's one big village. Mahal. It's one big village and then 2 smaller ones that are attached. So that's going to be a fun addition to the server. Okay, so is it night? What is up with this sky? Is the desert sky weird? What? Okay. Sky Poke Center. Ooh, books. Okay. Now we need to go back to traversing through a wooded area. Where is the Sadhu? There's the swamp, there's the Mahal. Ah, the Sadhu. And what are you? Desert Hills. A birch forest. I really don't think... If a taiga's not counted, I don't think a birch forest is going to be counted. Oh, that's why the sky was so weird. It's raining. Okay. It was a rainy sky, but because it was the desert, you don't see any rain. Let's not climb another mountain. Minecart rolls? Why is a minecart rolling? Something hurts. Hilarious. Ah, forest. So, I think I'm going to wait here until night. Be right back.